Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a message on a Telegram group on your PC with the new update. It's a super simple process, so let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Telegram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the group that contains the message you want to reply to. You can do this by clicking on the group's icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the message that you want to reply to. Once you've found it, right-click on the message. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to select the Reply option. Now, a text box will appear at the bottom of the screen where you can type your reply. Once you've written your response, simply click the Send button. Your reply will be sent to the group, and the original message will be quoted, so everyone can see the context of your response. And that's all there is to it. Replying to messages on Telegram groups on your PC is quick and easy with the new update. Just remember to open your account, find the group, right-click on the message, reply, write your response, and send it off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Telegram on your PC.